Are you somebody who is not at all fluent in speaking English? Like you can read and write it, but you can't speak it. Speaking is the issue. You're not fluent in it. Okay, so you have landed on the right video. Today I will be sharing most easy and fun ways in which you can become fluent in English speaking. So stick around. Okay. Now first let's get into this very basic issue, which is why you are not able to speak fluently. Okay, so let's get into the very psychology of it. See, ask yourself, why have you created this unnecessary fear around the language? What is it that is holding you back in order to become fluent in speaking the language? Why have you created this unnecessary fear around English speaking, and you have like made a really very big deal about it? Okay, why? Ask yourself. Because until and unless you won't be able to end that hesitation of yours, you won't be able to speak fluently. So first, work on this hesitation of yours. Now, how can you end this hesitation? So see, get into this very basic deep psychology of your brain. Okay, just understand the fact that English is a very normal language. Okay, it's as normal as your regional language or any other language. Okay, so don't just don't create that unnecessary big deal about it. Be normal with it. It's very normal. Speaking English is very normal. It's one of the most simple and easy tasks. Affirm it. Okay, end this hesitation. Affirm it that speaking English is as normal as speaking any other language or even speaking in my regional language. Believe it that it's as simple as that. Okay. Now, so when you start affirming in it that it's very simple, it's very easy, you will be able to master English speaking fluently. Why? Because in your brain you have ended that fear. Okay, so first affirm it that it's very easy and I will be able to speak it just the way I'm speaking it. I will become this fluent. Affirm it. Okay, now always remember that everything comes with practice. Practice makes the man perfect. So, in order to become fluent in English speaking, you need to practice speaking English. You cannot escape the speaking part. There's no escape to it. You need to speak it in order to become fluent in it. Now, the very first task that you can do is find somebody who is fluent in English speaking. Okay, become friends with them, have conversation with them on a regular basis. In my case, I found my mother. I was very weak in English speaking, so I told her the issue, and from that day onwards till this very date, she made it a point that she talks to me in English. The reason that I'm this fluent today is because of her, because she makes it a point to converse in English with me on a regular basis. Now, if you have a family member, well and good. If you don't have a family member with whom you can converse in English on a regular basis, surround yourself with friends who are fluent in English speaking. Make friends who are fluent in English speaking. When you will be in their company on a regular basis, you know, you'll start incorporating this habit of speaking daily. So surround yourself with people who are fluent in English speaking, and it will automatically motivate and encourage you to start speaking in English yourself. Apart from this, you know what else you can do? Talk to yourself in English. We are overthinking majority of the day. We are overthinking all our thought process, everything that can be done in English. Instead of doing it in any other language, you talk to yourself in English. Whatever thoughts that are running in your head, convert them in English. Okay, now you know what this will do. When you start talking to yourself in your mind in English, whenever you will, the next time when you will speak English, it will come naturally to you. Because in your head, you are thinking in English, your thought process is in English. So when you will speak the next time, you will be more fluent in speaking the language. Apart from talking to yourself, what else you can do? Now, if you're a school student, you can join and enroll yourself into a lot of debate competitions. You can participate in a lot of debate competitions. You can join acting community. You can join English speaking community. And even in college you can join the acting community, and you can participate in a lot of English speaking competitions. It can be debate, or even you can participate in the morning assemblies. You can say very basic things, like you can say the morning speech, or you can read the news for the day or the thought of the day. Even if you begin with small things, then you can later turn into larger things like speeches, narrations, etc., etc., etc. Apart from that, you all are on social media 24/7, right? What you can do with it? Make it a point to comment in English on social media platforms. Okay, any thought that you want to express on any post, you want to type something, type it in English, express your thought in English. Make it a point to comment on the post in English. That will improve your grammar, and you will be more you'll become more comfortable in expressing your thoughts in English. So comment on social media platforms in English. Okay, comment on them in English. Apart from that, what else you can do? Another very fun way or task that I will suggest you is record yourself. Take your phone, open the video tab, and record yourself. Record yourself on speaking on any topic of your choice, any topic that you're passionate about. It can be anything: beauty, fashion, technology, whatever niche, whatever topic that you're interested in. Record yourself, record yourself speaking in English. Even if you can start with 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes. Okay, like set an achievable target, record yourself. You can begin with 3 minutes and then extend it to 5 minutes. Okay, that will improve your speaking skills. Trust me when I say this is like my fourth or fifth video on this YouTube channel of mine, and I have myself seen improvement in my English speaking. Like, I am more confident from before. So like, you can do this, you can record yourself. Okay, it will bring you out of your comfort zone, and you will become more fluent in English speaking. Apart from recording yourself, you can follow content creators who teach English speaking, who give easy tips and tricks. You can follow them on social media. So this was it for today's video, and if you want to know more fun and easy ways, in how you can become fluent in English speaking, you can watch the other videos on my channel. I have created a playlist, and I will be leaving their link in the description box below. I have included like very fun ways, like how can you learn English by listening to songs and by watching series. So like, I have made, so do check them out. And this was it for today's video. Take care. Bye.